In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a picture into a circle in PowerPoint and convert a regular picture into a shape. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to place your image. If you don't have a picture on the slide yet, go to the Insert tab at the top. Then choose Pictures and select the image you want to use from your computer or another source. Once you've inserted the picture, click on it so that it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles or small circles appear around the edges. With the picture selected, look at the top menu for the Picture Format tab. This tab only appears when an image is selected, so if you don't see it, just click the picture again. In the Picture Format tab, find the Crop drop-down. Instead of using the basic crop, hover over Crop to Shape. A gallery of different shapes will appear. From this gallery, choose the circle or oval shape. In most versions of PowerPoint, this is listed under the basic shapes and is called oval. When you click it, your picture will instantly take on that circular or oval shape. If it looks more like an oval than a perfect circle, don't worry. We'll fix that next. To make it a perfect circle, keep the image selected and look for the size options in the Picture Format tab. Make the height and width exactly the same value. You can type in the numbers manually. Once the height and width match, your shape will become a perfect circle. Now you may want to adjust which part of the picture is visible inside the circle. With the image still selected, click the Crop button again. But this time, choose the regular crop option, not Crop to Shape. You'll see black crop handles and you can drag the image around inside the circle to reposition it. Move the photo until the most important part, like a face or object, is nicely centered. When you're happy with the positioning, click outside the image or press Escape to finish cropping. If you want to add a bit of style while the circular picture is selected, stay in the Picture Format tab and explore options like Picture Border, Picture Effects, or Picture Styles. You can add a thin outline, a soft shadow, or a subtle glow to help the circular image stand out on your slide, while still keeping it clean and professional.